Good evening, this is Michael with Love and Freedom. Hey, today we're back over here at the Parque, Tortuga in San Luis Rio, Sonora, Mexico. And we go over here to swap meet to show a little support and pick up a few items. We want to bring you guys along with us. So come on, let's go. Enjoy.
Been through the air, traveling around the world, that's how I roll. I'ma do this till I die, listen. So don't be wasting my time, listen. If I failed, at least I tried, listen. Love and freedom is what I do. I'ma do this till I die, listen. So don't be wasting my time, listen. If I failed, at least I tried, listen. Love and freedom is what I do. Problems, yeah man, that ain't nothing new. But the older that I got, more solutions that I knew. Seen some awful shit back when I was a Marine. If my shoes fit, you know exactly what I mean. I'm from down south Mississippi. Now you see me like a cloud in every city. Always keeping it the double of the number 50. Got a 20/20 vision even when it's misty. Like a millionaire, yeah, they see me rolling in my white Corvette, my life I'm enjoying. Everywhere I'm going, with my phone recording. Time flies by, but every single moment I am holding. You see me here, you see me there. Been overseas, been through the air. Traveling around the world, that's how I roll.
Si es con asado, sube 5. ¿Normales o asado o con asado?
Pub in that kennel. Oh, you're controlling it with the remote. Yeah. He controlling it with the remote control.
Luna. Sale, Julio.
We're over here at the Tortuga swap meet. Come over here to get some chow and walk around and pick up a few items. And we're gonna grab a few. We'll grab a few of these tacos over here. See how they are. We never eat any tacos over here, but we're gonna see how they are for the first time.
I put more of that. I don't want it.
Not too bad. You know, poblanos be off the chain. They were closed on Wednesday.
Yeah, they were closed. Gordita para la gordita. Agarran una gordita para la gordita.
Ya, si quieres dime, ese ya.
Well, I just finished trying the tacos out over here at Tortuga, Parque Tortuga, at the swap meet. Let me say this, and I'm gonna be 100 on it. I guess I'm spoiled by eating at the Poblanos, my taco place, because these tacos, I wouldn't go out my way to come get them, but it will coat the lining in your stomach if you know, just into having a taco. But as the boss lady said, the tortillas was great. It was good because they were fresh, homemade, handmade tortilla. And I got to give them their props on that. Yeah, it was thick. They wasn't no little thin tortillas, but the meat balled through them. So I'll say they was all right. But like I said, I wouldn't go out my way to come get them. But since I'm here,
You got them.
I ate them. So let me back up. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Until the next one. Bye now. Peace. One love.
So don't be wasting my time, listen. If I failed, at least I tried, listen. Love and freedom is what I